Is Brawl Stars ghosting you when it comes to sending that crucial verification code? Don't smash your device just yet, because I'm about to give you some quick fixes to get you back in the game. First, double check that you've entered your phone number correctly. A simple typo can prevent the code from reaching you. Pay close attention to the country code. Next, let's make sure Brawl Stars has the necessary permissions. Head to your phone's settings, then find Apps or Application Manager. Locate Brawl Stars in the list. Tap on Permissions and ensure that Brawl Stars has permission to access your SMS messages or phone. This is essential for receiving the verification code. While you're in Settings, check if notifications are enabled for Brawl Stars. Sometimes, the code might be hidden amongst silenced notifications. If all else fails, try the classic, toggle airplane mode on, wait for about 15 seconds, and then turn it off again. This can sometimes refresh your network connection and help the SMS get through. Finally, if the problem persists, there might be an issue on Supercell's end. Check the Brawl Stars social media channels for any announcements about server problems or delays in sending verification codes. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you get your verification code and get back to brawling. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Brawl Stars tips and tricks.